the wind, sun behind us. Nah, it's still behind us. Go this way. It's still behind us. Go. Whoa, oh, no, back. That's all right.
Okay, so today we're actually going to be trying to bleed the brakes on the Corvette again. We changed out a brake line, and so now the system has air in it. And when the system has air in it, is a pain to bleed. So we're going to try a few things, and hopefully it works.
Right. So, we are going to make ourselves a brake bleeding tool. Getting tired of having brake fluid all over the floor. Getting tired of having the hoses come off, the bleeders, and spilling brake fluid all over the floor. So, we got seen this on YouTube this morning. A couple people was talking about it. We're going to drill this a hole in the top of this 20 ounce. You can tell I got my good bit. Okay, we're going to do that. And we're going to drill a small vent hole. Drill this a nice little vent hole there. This is 5/16 outside diameter, 3/16 inside diameter. Take this, push it all the way down to the very bottom. And we're going to fill this up about a third of the way up, brake fluid, crack the bleeder open, and then slowly pump the brakes. All the air should come down the line, fill back up, fill this bottle up with brake fluid once it stops gassing out, and then we'll close the bleeder up and move on to the next brake.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
That didn't work. So we're going to do a bench bleed on the master cylinder, and hopefully that'll work. Maybe. But we are going to have to find some stuff to do that with, since I don't know where the other stuff that we did it with before went. So,
in my professional opinion, Caleb needs to learn how to work a camera so I don't have to repeat things. But anyway, back to what I was saying 5 minutes ago. I believe we have air in the master cylinder because when we disconnected the proportion valve, whatever you call it, the air in the line leading to the valve bled back up into the master cylinder. So now we're going to pull the master cylinder off and do a master cylinder bleed. But we need to get the stuff to do it because Caleb didn't put it away when we used it last time, and it probably got thrown away. So if Caleb would just take the stuff, put it where it's supposed to go, he wouldn't lose the stuff. So let's get it done. Oh,
did this work? Does this actually work?
Does it? Does it work?
It does. Don't stop it.
Okay, I'll drive like you can.
I'll drive faster than this.
That's true.
The cops once pulled you over because they thought you were her.
I once got a ticket because I was driving my mother's car and they thought they finally caught her. So unfortunately, I wound up with a ticket. Hey, do you know what Forrest Gump's password is?
One Forrest One.
One Forrest One. What do you call a hippie's wife? Mrs. Hippie. Why do ducks have feathers? To cover their butt quacks. Did you hear about the chameleon who couldn't change colors? He had reptile dysfunction.
Oh my god.
Had you heard that one?
I had. Do you know the Secret Service can't yell "Get down, President" anymore?
They can't.
They have to yell "Donald Duck."
I think I heard that one before.
Gee, I wonder who told me.
Hey, I ordered a chicken and an egg from Amazon. I'll tell you which comes first.
That didn't work either.
Nope.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go take and see about getting another master cylinder because we think the back cylinder in the master cylinder doesn't hold pressure.
Yep.
Master cylinder's been changed, brakes bled, completely fixed the issue. I believe must have been a bad seal in the master cylinder from before that was causing this and not letting it build up pressure. So, one proportioning valve and one master cylinder later and another brake line later, I think it's done. Cool, so that's the end of this video. Moral of the story is, yeah, that, I guess. Alrighty, so remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!